Hi, in this second video about working with Todoist, I will look at how my end of day routine would look like. In the first video we looked at how to set up Todoist and how to use the inbox as the primary place to manage sort of your ongoing tasks. Here we're really talking about the tasks that come to mind that you capture during the day, and we're not talking about planning projects. It's really just to stay on top of things that come up. So as you see, during the day I populated it with a bit more topics. So now for today we have a bit more, and now we're end of the day. So and I take 10 minutes to see, well, what does this look like now? Okay, so buy bread, I did this, and then it disappears. I recorded the video, I sent this message. I wanted to do the test for taking notes, but I did not do that, so this remains. And then I did talk to F about this product, so that is done. So from the things I wanted to do on that particular day, which was yesterday, so that was why we have the today view, so I close. Now at the end of the day I close the day, but then I also try to see what do I want to actually do the next day. So testing the software is good. I want to publish a new blog post today, publishing video 2. Exactly, I would like to brainstorm topics for next videos, and I cannot do this, I cannot do this. By grill, this remains as it is. Then next week I should follow up with Steve on project Y. Okay, so we add the task, and now what I'm going to do is to say, well, let's prioritize now. Test here, that's actually a priority 3. Then we have the publish a new blog post. This is highest priority, and brainstorm topics for next videos. That is, I'm gonna put this priority 2. So that means that I close the day and I have my main priorities set for the next day, which means that when I open the today view on the next day, this is now, I need to, of course, do a due date, which is today. So there we go. Now it's correct. Now if we go today, we see that the tasks to be done today are set in the right priority. That's all for this little video, and in the next video we will be looking a bit more detail about how to use the today view and the upcoming views, and also how to use filters and labels, but that's for coming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.